Hi everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. I am Raluca and for this one I'm going to show you how to do a really simple special effects makeup that literally anybody can do. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to remind you guys to thumbs up this video. It really helps a lot, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Once you finish doing that, let's get started. For this video I'm going to do a really simple pop art look. I've already applied foundation and concealer and powder to my face, so now we're going to start drawing. We're not going to need many products. Actually, I'm just going to use a black eyeliner, white face paint, and a red lipstick. And yeah, of course, mascara and lashes, but these are optional. And one eyeshadow, I think. Firstly, I'm going to take my Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, but you can use any black liner that you have. And I'm going to use a flat brush like this to fill in my brows. I'm going to do those black, really graphic brows. So basically, I will just fill in my brows with this black from the beginning to the end. You want them to be really graphic. Don't be afraid to make them maybe a little bit thicker or longer. You want it to be very expressive. I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. Here at the top I'm going to do like half a circle to create that frowned expression. And same thing here, I'm going to do like a frowning wrinkle. I finished the other side of camera and now I'm going to move on to the face. And you actually want to make just think about how you do your contour, but doing your contour with a straight black line instead. So I placed it under my cheekbone. And I'll kind of frame my face by following the jawline. And now I'll also continue this line to my forehead. So basically I'm just framing the entire face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take a really bright yellow and I'm going to use the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to take this bright neon yellow right here using an angle brush like this. This is the Juvia's Place 003 brush. And I'm going to do like a wing liner shape with this color. I'm going to do a graphic liner on the eyes. And I'm really going to build up the color to the intensity that I want. I'm sorry, I think you heard like kids playing outside. I just closed the window. And now I'm going to take the Sigma liner again and I'll outline this shape that I created. I'm doing really small strokes so I don't mess it up. On the lower lash line, I'm going to apply the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. It's just the white one. And I'll apply it on the waterline. And then with the Sigma black liner, I'm going to connect the liner to my lower lash line. And bring it up to the inner corner. And I'm going to draw some lashes. And on the top lashes, I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Size Up Mascara by Sephora Collection. Now I just realized that I forgot to add my nose contour. And I'm going to underline it like this. On my lips, I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Missy and Fierce. This is a really bright, gorgeous red. Doing the lips without a lip liner is actually impossible. I thought not applying a lip liner was going to save some time, but actually this took way more time than if I did apply a lip liner. I'm going to add some chin contour as well, because I forgot about this one too. And now I'm going to frame my lips with the same Sigma gel liner. This brush that I'm using is an e.l.f. Angled eyeliner brush. It looks something like this. And now I'm going to add some shade in the inner portion of my mouth. Basically just drawing some lines. To finish up this look, after we've added so much shading, we're going to add some highlighting as well. And I'm going to use a white face paint. I'm just going to dip my brush into some water and then dip into the face paint. And I'm basically just going to highlight here. On the center of my nose, on my chin, and on my lips. I'm going to do a line here on the top and on the bottom. And this is the finished look. It's really quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!